All right, so let's see what's in this box. These are from Amazon. They're made for bar ends or a regular bar. You can mount them up or down. Looks like you can take them anywhere from 13 millimeters to 19 millimeters using these adapters here. Let's see. You have two different sizes there. Everything seems to be made out of metal. Good ball socket there for rotating. Yeah. What else we got? We got 3 Allen wrenches here included. Let's see how it works on the bike. To show you where this all started from, these are the stock mirrors mounted here. They have this long bar. They are really functional, but I just don't think they look as cafe racer as I'm trying to go to that vintage cafe racer look. So Royal Enfield sells these that mount on the bar end, and they look okay. They just stick up a little higher than I was expecting, and honestly the build quality really isn't that great. So that's why we chose these. They're a little more low profile. They can slide in there, or you can take these bar end mounts off and you should be able to just clamp this onto there. We're gonna start off with the right side here. I'm gonna remove these bar ends, the actual mounts that put it in the bar end, because like I said, there's that stock spacer and I wanna be able to fill this gap so you don't see that chrome bar sticking through. So I'm gonna remove these and clamp it directly where that spacer was. I already removed one to show real quick that these will go on here. And I'm thinking I'm gonna mount these directly forward so it gives it that lower profile look. Instead of sticking up like that, it'll bring them down just a little bit more. So I got these tightened down, put the stock bar plug back in, which essentially you just push it back in and it should lock. Now it's just a matter of deciding if I want them up or down. All right, I think we are done. These things look great. They fit really well. The hardware is pretty good quality for a set of $25, $26 bar end mirrors. And just the availability of options with mounting these and the adjustability of them, I'd say this is a no-brainer for buying some good bar end mirrors. I'm gonna go take it for a ride and see how they look. All right, so the street test went really well. Other than the audio, I could not get it to work on my lav mic. If anyone knows how to hook up a GoPro Hero 10 to a lav mic without hearing the speaker on the outside, please let me know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's like when I turn it on and turn it off, most of the audio on here was the outside, so all you could hear was engine and wind noise. But as far as the mirrors go, they're in a great position as far as seeing behind you, seeing your blind spots. They look really well, nice and low profile, no vibrations in them really. For the price point, and I think I said earlier they were $25, I believe they're $28 on Amazon. I'll shoot the link down in the description below and I'll add a picture to this screenshot. And for the price point, the quality, the look, and them being universal and 2 mounting points, I'd say it's a no-brainer. I know this was just a mirror review, but thanks for sticking around. I plan on doing a lot more modifications to this Royal Enfield Continental GT 650.